Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy, Mathematics faculty. Previous class we are completed level 1 4 problems. Now I am going to discuss fifth question onwards. Okay, now see the question. Tan 100 degrees plus tan 125 degrees plus tan 100 degrees into tan 125 degrees. In previous class we had discussed same problem but different values. Here see 100 degrees plus 125 degrees. How much? 225 degrees. Okay. Now apply tan on both sides. Why we are applying tan? In the question, the terms are tan only. That's why. So tan 100 degrees plus tan 125 degrees. That is equal to tan 225. Now left hand side, that is in the form of tan A plus B. What is tan A plus B formula? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Students, all of you understood now how I am applying the formula. But in right hand side, see that 225 is there. Students, 225 how to write? 180 plus 45 or 270 minus 45. Both are correct. Now this is same. 180 plus theta, third quadrant, tan, positive. At 180, tan, there is no change. So what will come? Tan 45 degrees. What is tan 45 degrees, students? 1. Now, left hand side denominator send to right hand side. Tan 100 degrees plus tan 125 degrees. That is equal to left hand side denominator send to right hand side. 1 minus tan 100 into tan 125. By observing the question, then calculate. Tan 100 degrees plus tan 125 degrees. So right hand side negative term send left hand side. Tan 100 into tan 125. That is equal to remaining right hand side. What is the students? 1. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. See the students, next question. Tan 225. Just previous problem only we are calculated. Tan 225 means how to write? 180 plus 45, third quadrant tan positive, tan 45 degrees. That is equal to 1. Next, numerator cot 81 is there. Okay, no problem. And cot 69 is there. Okay. Denominator, see that. What is there? Cot 261. 261 convert into what? 81 degrees. How? 261 we can write 180 plus 81 degree. 180 plus theta, third quadrant, cot positive, we get cot 81 degrees. Now denominator, see that one more angle is there, tan 21 degrees. 21 how to write, students, tell me? 90 minus 69. Numerator 69 is there now. 21 I am going to convert to 69 degrees. 90 minus theta, first quadrant, tan positive. But 90, tan is going to change, cot 69 degrees. So these values we got. Now, those values substitute in the question. Tan 225 degrees, 1 minus cot 81 degrees, cot 69 degrees divided by denominator cot 261, that is cot 81 degrees, plus tan 21, that is cot 69. Students, tell me, what is cot of A plus B formula? Cot of A plus B formula, that is cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot B plus cot A, or cot A plus cot B, anyone, no problem. But see that this is the formula. But see the question, take minus common in the numerator, minus of, remaining part we get like this. Now cot 81, cot 69 minus 1 divided by cot 81 plus cot 69. Students, are you understood? Numerator, just I am taken minus common. After taking the minus common, it is going to convert in the form of cot A plus B. Sir, no. Cot A means 81 degrees. B means 69 degrees. 81 plus 69, how much, students? 150. Now 150, how to write? There are two forms, 90 plus 60 or 180 minus 30, anyone. 180 minus 30 degrees, second quadrant, cot negative. But already outside is negative, it is going to positive. At 180, there is no change. We get cot 30 degrees. Students, what is cot 30 degrees value? Cot 30 degrees, root 3. Which option is correct? Third option is correct. Now see the seventh question, students. Seventh question. Tan of A plus B is equal to P. Tan of A minus B is equal to Q. Then cot 2B, here angle A plus B, here angle A minus B. But here they are asking angle cot of 2B. There is no 2B angle. How to do now? How to do now? See here. First, tan A plus B given now. Take the right angle triangle. This is angle A plus B. Tan A plus B value P. P means that is P by 1 or not? Tan means opposite side by adjacent. Now students, what is hypotenuse? Under root 1 plus P square or P square plus 1. Anyone, no problem. This is A plus B angle. Now go to another angle. What is that? A minus B. This is A minus B. There also tan of A minus B value how much given? Q. That is Q by 1. Opposite side by adjacent side. Here will come Q square plus 1. We know that angles A plus B and A minus B. We don't know 2B angle. So how to do that? Cot 2B. So this is, I am writing cot of, see carefully, cot of A plus B, A minus B. So here angle A plus B is there, A minus B is there. But here there is no A. So that means here put minus in between. Put minus. These two one unit, these two another unit. Now students observe here, this is A plus B, minus A, minus into minus, plus B. See here, minus A plus A is cancelled. B plus B, 2B or not? Okay, so 2B angle I am converted in the form of A plus B and A minus B. That means what I am done here? Adding A, subtracting A, then we got. Now we know that cot A plus B formula here only is there. Here only is there. Okay, A means A plus B, B means A minus B. Apply the formula. Tell me, students. Cot A plus B into cot A minus. This is cot of A minus B related formula. Plus 1 divided by cot B. B means here A minus B. Minus A means cot of A plus B. Students, all of you understood? Now, what is cot of A plus B value? Tan A plus B, P means cot A plus B is 1 by P into tan A minus B means Q. Cot A minus B means 1 by Q plus 1 divided by, here 1 by P minus 1 by Q. Actually, these two right angles triangles, no need. Now, numerator take the LCM, you will get 1 plus PQ divided by, LCM is PQ now. Same as in the denominator. What is the LCM? PQ. Here will come Q minus P. So, so I think here I am written mistake. This is 1 by Q. This is 1 by P. Yes or no? So, here numerator part is going to mistake. Here will come P. Here will come Q. So, PQ is cancelled. Finally, students, what is the answer? 1 plus PQ divided by 1 plus PQ divided by P minus Q. This is the answer. So, students, which option is correct? Which option is correct? First option is correct.